In this short video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable LED flash notifications on your iPhone, providing a visual cue for incoming calls and texts. Are you struggling to notice incoming calls or texts, especially in noisy environments or when your phone is set to silent? Let's activate the LED flash on your iPhone to ensure you never miss a notification. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate iPhone settings and optimize their device's functionality. Stay with me until the end to discover additional tips for managing your iPhone's battery performance. This method works for iPhones 11 to 16 and their variants. Now, let's get started on enabling LED flash alerts on your iPhone or iPad. To start, open your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, select Audio iVisual. Then turn on the LED flash for alert switch. Before we continue with additional customization, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue with how to get flash light blinking on receiving a call or message on iPhone. For additional customization, you can enable flash while unlocked and flash in silent mode. You can turn on additional customizations like flash while unlocked, which makes the LED flash even when your iPhone is unlocked. You can also turn on flash in silent mode, which blinks the LED even if your iPhone is set to silent. Also, be aware that enabling LED flash notifications might slightly increase battery consumption, especially when your phone is in frequent use. There are third-party apps that offer additional customization options for LED flash notifications, allowing you to set the LED blinking to some rhythmic tunes. By following these simple steps, you'll activate the LED flash on your iPhone, providing a visual alert for incoming calls and texts. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.